Imagine driving your electric car, cruising down the highway, enjoying the silence and the efficiency of your vehicle. You pull into a charging station, plug in, and start charging. But then, you wonder, how much is this going to cost me? Today, we're going to answer that question. Does Tesla charge for charging? Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, has been at the forefront of the EV revolution. With their sleek designs, impressive range, and advanced technology, Tesla cars have become highly sought after. But one of the biggest questions for potential Tesla owners is the cost of charging. Many people assume that Tesla owners have to pay a hefty fee for charging their cars. However, the reality is a bit more complex. Tesla has built an extensive network of superchargers across the globe. These high-speed charging stations are designed to quickly replenish your Tesla's battery. For Tesla owners who purchased their car before January 1, 2017, charging at superchargers is completely free. However, for Tesla owners who purchased their car after January 1, 2017, charging at superchargers comes with a fee. The cost varies depending on the location and the time of day. Factors affecting charging costs. Several factors can influence the cost of charging at a Tesla supercharger. Location. Charging costs may be higher in areas with higher electricity rates or where demand for charging is high. Time of day. Some superchargers offer off-peak rates, which can be cheaper than charging during peak hours. Peak demand. If the supercharger is busy and there are many cars waiting to charge, the cost may increase. In addition to superchargers, Tesla owners can also charge their cars at home or at public charging stations. Charging at home is generally the most affordable option, as you can take advantage of off-peak rates and potentially lower electricity rates. Public charging stations, other than Tesla superchargers, may have different pricing structures. Some stations may charge based on the amount of electricity used, while others may charge a flat rate. So, to answer the question, does Tesla charge for charging? The answer is, it depends. Tesla owners who purchased their car before January 1, 2017, can charge at superchargers for free. However, those who purchased their car after that date will have to pay a fee. The cost will vary depending on location, time of day, and peak demand. If you're considering buying a Tesla, it's important to factor in the cost of charging into your decision. By understanding Tesla's charging options and the factors that affect charging costs, you can make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.